So guys, as you can see that I came to this stall and I wanted this beautiful gift for my wife, and see, it is totally decorated. And hi guys, good morning. He is my dad. Yesterday I couldn't upload any vlog just because I was very busy whole day. We were in hospital. Actually yesterday the date was for chemo, and dad underwent chemotherapy. It was a little painful, dad. कैसा था कीमो का?
कीमो का है थोड़ा वो है झंझनाहट हाथ में लग रहा है।
ओके
बाद बाकी ठीक है। 4 कीमो पहले चढ़ा था तो सब जानकारी है ये है।
ओके
हाँ
फाइन। और यहाँ भी दर्द हो रहा है, जबड़े में भी दर्द?
हाँ,
हो रहा
जबड़े में भी, खाने में भी।
अच्छा
तो ये 2-4 दिन चलेगा, 10 दिन।
अच्छा
हाँ, ऐसा चलेगा। फिर खाने का रुचि कम जाएगा।
ओके
हाँ,
और
तब तक फिर दूसरा कीमो चढ़ जाएगा।
अच्छा
हाँ
ओके तो
1-2 महीना है परेशानी, उसके बाद तो फिर ठीक है।
ओके यही है। तो दिस इज द साइड इफेक्ट ऑफ कीमो। ओके so that's why I couldn't upload any video yesterday, because we came back home at night. I thought okay, let it be. और कुछ खास डालने को था नहीं हॉस्पिटल में, you know it is not allowed to shoot any footage in the hospital. However, I just shot little bit. Okay, so today guys, actually today I have to go to Khushbu's Mamaji house. Okay, so for that हाँ हाँ हाँ
तो सबके इन्ने कह दिली ना, उलट दिली। बांस उस न रही तो देखे तो कदुआ नीचा चल गए एकदम।
So guys, I was saying that actually today we are going to Khushbu's Mamaji house. Okay, so we need some green vegetables, you know, to give them, to surprise them, some green vegetables. And it is good if you have a farm and if you have some green organic vegetables, so definitely you must send some vegetables to your family members, to your relatives. It's really very good, I would say. So some cauliflowers have already been kept here. I would like to request my camera person to show this cauliflower.
हाँ, cauliflower.
So these are the cauliflowers, and some more cauliflowers are required and some bottle gourds are required. So dad, और भी गोभी चाहिए?
हाँ, अब और काटना है।
ओके तो चलिए शुरू करते हैं डैड। अच्छा ऐसे निकालना है? ओके फाइन। सो आई एम हेल्पिंग डैड टू होल्ड and dad is cutting it off. Okay. Hey, gobi wale, Akshat. Gobi wale. If you have to sell cauliflowers, how will you sell?
ले जाओ अक्षत।
Gobi wale. There is no worm here. No, nothing.
But
No.
why is it wet?
Wet just because of dew. Fine. So now some bottle gourds are required. Dad, यहाँ भी एक bottle gourd दिख तो रहा है अच्छा सा।
हाँ हाँ, सब कटेगा।
ये हाँ है, ठीक है। So dad is going to do that. Yes dad. Okay, पकड़ो। Akshat, hold the bottle gourd. He is Akshat's friend. What is your name? Your name is Arav? Yes. The good boy, Arav. Good. Take. Okay. Akshat, hold it. Hold it. Put it there. Now, sell the bottle gourd. How will you sell? How will you sell, Akshat? How will you sell the bottle gourd, Akshat? Like how? Speak. Oh my God, look at the giant one. Oh my God, oh, giant bottle gourd. See, Akshat, the giant bottle gourd. And it should not break, Akshat, it might fall. Don't do that, it might fall. The name is bottle gourd. In Hindi, okay. In Hindi, this is called, in Noida, it is called ghiya. And here it is called kadua. Kadua wale. Akshat say kadua wale.
इधर आ जा.
Kadua wale, eh? And it is also called Loki somewhere, no? Loki wale.
हाँ.
One more. बड़ा सा. इसके कई नाम है, लौकी भी नाम है.
हाँ लौकी.
लौकी, घिया, कदुआ.
हाँ.
Okay. Akshay, take one more bottle guard. Don't put on cycle. See guys, we are collecting some vegetables. Bottle guards. There are so many bottle guards and huge bottle guards. Really amazing. Fine. And some cauliflowers, though some cauliflowers are not up to the mark. Dad, ये सब
सही है.
अच्छा,
हाँ.
ये जो है ये चलेगा.
हाँ, अब खराब होता वो.
अच्छा.
ना काटने पर.
ओके.
4 दिन पहले सब काटने वाला था.
अच्छा.
लेकिन अभी भी खराब ना हुआ.
ओके. देयर आर सम रेडिश एज वेल. छोटे छोटे हैं रेडिश. ओके, सो इसको रखें डैड, बोरा में रखते हैं. Fine guys, so now we are going. Okay, it's not open. Okay. Fine guys, so here we go. So guys, right now we are at Sonpur. Actually we were going to Khushbu's Mamaji house, and on the way we saw a small mela at Sonpur. So Akshat started asking me to take him to mela. He wants to enjoy a car ride, so I just came here. Okay Akshat?
The blue car.
You want the blue car? Okay, so Akshat is interested to sit here. I can show you that one, you know. So you want the blue car? Okay, go. Wait for blue car, and Akshat is going to sit on the blue car. I'm going to show you through the back camera. अरे आप हैं, बिठाइए इसको. अक्षत sit. Okay. Enjoy. So Akshat is enjoying. Actually, due to Corona, that huge mela has not been held. So there is a small mela, you can say. This is allowed here. You can see some swings, some stalls, clothes shop. Okay, you can see this. So this is the small area. Otherwise, if you talk about Sonpur ka mela, you cannot imagine how big it is. Sonpur ka mela. Okay, Akshat, did you have fun?
Yeah.
Oh, Akshat had a great fun. Now let's go. Okay? Guys, actually I was just exploring this market. Suddenly I came across this stall. Here you can see several designs, you know. So tomorrow is my wife's birthday, so I thought that I must give her this small gift. So here you can see this heart-shaped design. Here it is written happy birthday, and whatever the name you want, whatever the name you want, you can get it written over here. So I'm just going to get it written. It would be a kind of a small gift from my side to my wife. Fine. दिल दिखा, कैसा दिल है? हाँ, गुलाब लगा दे. हाँ, गुलाब लगा दे. तू बड़ा स्मार्ट लड़का है तू तो. सब जानता है.
ये लगा दे दिल. लाल में भी है.
लाल में भी है. दिखा, हाँ, लाल में लगा. ये गुलाबी लगा दे ना.
ये गुलाब.
हाँ, गुलाबी लगा दे. गुलाब लगा दे. So guys, this boy is working hard. So guys, as you can see that I came to this stall and I wanted this beautiful gift for my wife, and see, it is totally decorated. And it looks awesome. It looks awesome. यहाँ पे दिखाइए. It looks awesome. So this is the surprise gift for my wife. I'll give her. So guys, finally we have reached.
खुश ही रहो, मेरा शक्ल खराब है और बना लिया पीछे भी मेरा एकदम जीवा खराब है
So still guys, you can see earlier, many years ago in village, this type of style was there. So this house is of same style. This is called Khapda Posh style. Very popular style. These days you can find very few houses like this. But there was a time when this type of house was there. So you can see guys. खुश रहिए, खुश रहिए, खुश रहिए. Okay. These are the children, the whole family of Khushbu's Mama Ji. अक्षत होल्ड दिस. ये पकड़ो बेटा, ये पकड़ो ये. ठीक है, शूट करो. ठीक है, लेते रहो. Okay.
इनके स्वेटर पहना दो, ठंडा ना लगता.
Yeah, so I'm sitting here. Okay. ये दिखाओ, ये छत दिखाओ कितना ऊंचा छत है. So look at this, my God, lovely style. Okay, fine. दे दो बेटा. Look at this style, guys. My God. See. Akshat, come here. See. Akshat, where are you? Wow.
Akshat, come fast.
Could you please hold it? Akshat, see. Calf. Baby cow. Hello, cow. I mean calf. Superb. Lovely. Okay. And these are the cows. So guys, this is the new house which is under construction. So from here you can see the view of this area. Okay, it's a sea view. It's a sea view. Okay. और यहाँ ये मतलब इसके अंदर पानी होगा नहीं? हाँ, ये टोटल. और ये किस तरह का पौधा है ये? जंगली पौधा. इसी में कमल भी होता है. अच्छा. अक्षत, you might come. You might fall. Come, go. Watch out everywhere. Okay, वाह. So यहाँ उपले सब कुछ है. अक्षत, come this side. Watch out. So guys, you can see the area. Amazing. Yeah. बड़े बड़े उपले हैं. Good. So guys, so this is Khushbu's Mama Ji house. Big and old style house is also there. That Khapda Posh style is there. ये बहुत पुराना होगा ना ये जो बना है?
ये बहुत पुराना है.
Okay.
सैकड़ों साल.
सैकड़ों साल. Oh my God.
Of course.
तो ये ऐसे पहले ऐसे स्टाइल होते थे. ओके. और फिर अब ये एक छत वाला तो हो ही गया ये. गुड वन. अच्छा, उधर भी एक खपड़ा पोश है. मतलब कुछ घर अभी भी खपड़ा पोश, हाँ, कुछ घर खपड़ा पोश दिखते हैं. बट अब तो ऑलमोस्ट सारे खपड़ा का स्टाइल ही ख़त्म हो गया. अब तो जानबूझ के शहरों में खपड़ा का ही ना स्टाइल लगवाते हैं. डेलिबरेटली दे पुट this khapda style on their roof.
You can see there is style.
Yeah, the khapda style is right there. Yeah. Okay. Fine. Let's go down. Fine, guys. So now we will take tea here with snacks. Yeah, tea with snacks. Lovely. Watch out, bhai. Okay. 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 Give it to me. Huh. Okay, fine, guys. So now I am going from here. It's too dirty. So now, guys, I am going back to my village. Okay, bye, guys. Thank you very much. This is all about this video. So see you in another episode. Thank you, guys.